What sort of a party are you having? Oh!
Juice got here, then I got her juice. I'm gonna get your Jotsko.
Huh?
What are you eating, Aurora? What are you eating? Pasta.
You can drink it, okay? Ah, galing. Tita Malu. Si Tita Malu pala, yun lang. We like Tita Malu. Miko, sabi ni Dekran ko, gusto daw niya na butuin natin siya, ibenta daw niya yung lote niya. And she knows what she has to do for, if we want her to. Si Pampers na! More! Gakurog!
Dance for Daddy?
Sige na, Aurora. You want like that though? Want like a kurog. See? Tingnan mo yung si I like to move it na.
Kamurod sa penguin.
Oo na, kahit pag hinay-hinay.
Oo.
Tapos pag magaya na si Louie din.